Indonesia. An archipelago of over 17,000 islands. Each one has a world into itself. Today, I invite you on a journey beyond the famous shores of Bali to discover some of Indonesia's most breathtaking treasures. We begin in West Papua, a place that feels like a dream. At Raja Ampat, the sea is not just a diving destination, it's a living kaleidoscope. Beneath this crystal water, we find coral reefs rustling with colored tropical fish like mantares and the sea turtles gliding through a painter's plate of blues. Raja Ampat is often called the Four King, a name inspired by the four largest islands in the archipelago. But beyond the king, it is a kingdom of a wonder marine sanctuary, unlike anywhere else on earth. From Papua, we head to Komodo National Park in the east, Nusa Tenggara. Here, the landscape is as extraordinary as its wildlife. The Komodo dragon's ancient, fringe, and majestic roam, this island is like a living reliance. And just a short boat ride away, we find a rare wonder, a pink sand beach, where soft coral gives the shore on its blush way. Next, we travel to North Sumatra, where Lake Toba lies in serene grandeur. A vast caldera lake formed by a supervolcano. It's a place of stillness and reflection. Around it, Batak culture thrives colorful houses, traditional dances, and a sense of timeless peace. Then we venture to Lombok and the Gili Islands, where lives move slower with sand beaches, turquoise waters, and coconut palm soy in the breeze. The Gili Islands, Gili Air and Gili Menu are like a dreamscape perfect for snorkeling, sunset view and quiet island charm. And in Center Java, we reach Yogyakarta, an epicenter of culture. Here, ancient temple rise from misty field of Borobudur, the largest Buddhist temple in the world. Prambana, a majestic Hindu complex. Yogyakarta is a place where every street whispers a story, every dance is a poem, and every bite of food is a tradition. So, from Raja Ampat to the hidden depth of Komodo dragons, from Lake Toba's calm water to Lombok Island bliss and Yogyakarta's timeless charm, Indonesia is a monastery of wonder. Join me next time as we continue this adventure on a particular video of Bali Island at a time. Until that, see you!